This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mildred Mercado-Emory. Beautiful residence located in the peaceful and quiet area of Fleeman Estates. Inviting front entryway with lush landscaping. Bright and open floor plan. Formal living and dining room. Kitchen with a separate breakfast nook area, plenty of wood cabinet space, Cambria countertops, stainless steel appliances, pass-through window looking out to pool patio area that provides lots of light. Large family room looking out to a resort-like pool patio area with jacuzzi, screened terrace and lush landscaping. Ample-sized bedrooms with lots of natural light. Master bedroom with 2 closets. Other features are 2-year-old roof, impact resistance windows, laminate flooring, house recently painted, new fencing, large garage with plenty of shelving. Great school district. Sellers need 90 days or less to move out. For more information, review the details below or contact Mildred Mercado-Emory at 305-785-3262.